In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dotted line on text in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want your text to stand out a little more, adding a dotted outline can be a simple but effective design choice. This is useful for titles, labels, or any text you want to give a more decorative or stylized look. PowerPoint makes this easy once you know where to find the right formatting options. To begin, click the text you want to edit. Make sure the text box or the specific text is selected properly because PowerPoint needs to know which object you want to format before the outline options become active. If you don't see the formatting tools change right away, just click directly on the text again until it is clearly selected. Once your text is selected, go to the text formatting options and click Text Outline. This is the setting that controls the border or edge around your letters. If your text doesn't already have an outline, this is where you can start applying one. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this may appear in the ribbon under the Shape Format or Drawing Tools Format tab. When you open Text Outline, you'll usually see several formatting choices related to color, weight, and line style. From there, click Dashes. This menu lets you change the style of the text outline from a solid line to a patterned one. This is the key step if you want the outline around your text to appear dotted or dashed instead of continuous. Take a moment here to look through the available dash styles because different presets can create slightly different visual effects. Finally, choose an outline style from the dash options. Select the one that gives you the dotted look you want for your text. As soon as you click it, PowerPoint should apply that style to the outline of the selected text. If the dots look too subtle, one helpful tip is to adjust the outline weight afterward so the effect becomes more visible. Thicker outlines usually make dotted styles easier to see, especially in presentations being viewed from a distance. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can give your PowerPoint text a dotted outline and make it look more customized and visually engaging. If you're styling a slide deck, small formatting details like this can really help improve the overall design and readability of your presentation.